Get ready to showcase your summer memories with the refined elegance of the Poolside Paradise Collection from Creative Memories. Capture your weekend getaway in poolside gatherings with the stunning Poolside Paradise album cover. Add effortless style with the Poolside Paradise embellishments, featuring sophisticated icons like string lights and lounge chairs. Accent with flair using the Poolside Paradise stickers. You'll love them for stylish storytelling. Build beautiful backdrops with the Poolside Paradise matte pack. These mats complement the collection's sun-kissed palette. And of course, the heart of it all, the Poolside Paradise paper pack. There's a dose of summer on every page. Don't forget the perfect pool tools. The Bubble Scallop Border Punch creates a whimsical bubbly edge, while the Wave Crest Chain BMC adds smooth flowing lines like water lapping at the poolside. The Poolside Paradise Collection is your ticket to crafting the chic side of summer. Start creating your own splash-tastic stories.